Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be covering how to take information that you have used in the past to create a feature article and move that information into a Google Slides presentation. So first thing you want to do is look at the information you've already worked on. So here I have in this window is your feature article that you spent time on. This one is based on ocean animals. And as you can see, it has all of our headings and information that we're going to need. Now, this is the information you came up with, so you can freely use it in your own Google Slides presentation. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google Chrome, open it up, and you're going to want to go to the Google Drive. Open up Google Drive, go to the New tab up top, locate Google Slides presentation, and go to Blank Presentation. So with a blank presentation set up, you want to title it, What's in the Oceans, just so we know where to locate it. Okay, so for this presentation, we're not going to use a theme. We're going to go to the Background tab. This will allow us to put a background image across all slides of our presentation. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Image tab and hit Choose, and go to Search. It'll allow you to search Google for any images. So since we're talking about oceans, let's search ocean life and see what comes up. Okay, so you're going to want to find an image that is not too distracting, but will work for our project here. So I do like this top one here. Okay, you click on the image you like, click Select, and what you're going to want to do is click Add to Theme. That means that every single slide will have the same background. So you can hit Done, and you're ready to go. So now that we are on our main slide, we need to tell our readers what they are going to be watching. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your cursor and you're going to highlight the title of your feature article, and you're going to right click and hit Copy. Okay. Then you're going to want to paste it into the title section. Oops, let's try that again. Copy and paste. So now we have our title, but unfortunately the title is rather dark. So you're going to want to highlight it again, and now you can use the tools up top to fix that. Okay, if you go to this button up here, text color, it will allow you to change the color of the text. And if you'd like, you can even set a different highlight in the background. So let's go with a nice neon green. And I like to center my titles. Okay, so that's a little high. You can move it down by using your cursor like so. All right, you also want to make sure that you tell the viewers who created this presentation. So you're going to want to, again, change it to a proper color, and you're going to write who created this project. Okay, so now your title page is all set up. It's time to start putting the information in. What you're going to want to do is make a new slide. So you're going to go to the left-hand bar here, right-click, and click New Slide. So as you can see, we have the same background as before, keeping uniformity within the project. So take a look at the information that we have. If we scroll down, we have many animals here, and I'm going to start with my clownfish here. So what I want to do is I want to put the title of what animal I'm talking about. So I'm going to, again, highlight clownfish, copy, and paste it on here. Again, a little dark, so let's change that by going to our text color. Let's change it to different highlight as well. All right. Actually, let's change this again, text color to white, and we will center it. All right. So there's our page on clownfish. Now we need the information. What we're going to do is take all of the information that we gathered throughout the semester, and we are going to plug it into our slides. So what we can do is go sentence by sentence. Since you wrote this yourselves, it's not plagiarism if you use your own words. So we're going to copy and paste each of our slides, each of our facts that we came up with. So we're going to go through, and we're just going to continue to copy and paste. Saves us time from having to retype everything that we've already done. So we're going to plug these all in like so. Okay. So now that they're in, you can use some of the features of Google Slides to put in bullets if you would like. So if we head over here, we can go with numbers or bullets. I like using bullets. Let's go with the circles, and there we go. So it sets up our information as so, breaks everything down. Now, it's a little bland, so let's work on adding a photo. So if you would like to, we can go right to Insert, and you go to Image, and we can go by Search the Web. Everything can be done inside the browser. So we're going to want to search clownfish on Google within the browser. Find a good image that we want to plug into our slide here. So let's take a look. I like this one. Let's see, what's a good one? One that really stands out, like this one here. So we're going to click, and you're going to hit Insert. It will insert it directly into the project. Now, it's a little big, so you're going to want to resize it by using your cursor like so. Okay, we're going to move it around, find a good image, and there is our slide on clownfish. Now, the last thing we're going to work on is inserting a video into another slide. So what you're going to want to do, again, is right-click and Insert New Slide. And we're going to make a slide on, go back to our project here, we're going to make a slide on seahorses. So again, you want to highlight seahorses, copy, and paste. Now, again, it's a little dark, so I want to fix that real quick. Okay, we're going to want to change the text color, change the highlight, and we're going to want to center that. All right, so we're ready to insert a video. So what we can do, we've already researched a video that will work for us. It was National Geographic's Amazing Animals, Seahorses. So within the browser itself, we can go to Insert, go to Video, and we can search. So we're going to type in Amazing Animals, Seahorse. Okay, and it should come up. So when you find the proper video that you want to embed, you're going to click on it and then click Select. That will insert the video right into your Google presentation, and when you are ready, you may click it and play as you are presenting. All right, so these are just the beginnings of your Google Slides presentation. I will have videos in the future on the other aspects and other additions to your slides. I hope you guys, enjoy making your presentations, and if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to ask. All right, guys, let's get to work. Let's have a good day.